Hey guys, so I just did my oil change. This is a 6th generation Polo, and this is how you reset the oil change warning on the dash. So the ignition is off, put in your key, you hold this button, reset oil service, hit one more time, or reset service. So you have two options. Okay, so that's just how you get into it. So first of all, let me just do it again. Press and hold this button, turn on the ignition, reset oil service, set. Okay, and then just turn it off, turn the ignition off. Okay, turn the ignition back on, and there's no more warning. So if you want to reset the service, you just hold this button, turn on the ignition, hit it again, reset service, and then you hit set if you want to do that, and then turn off the ignition, and there's no more warning about the oil service or just the service. So this is how you quickly and easily reset the oil service or the service menu in a 6th generation Polo. Okay, well, hope this helped. Bye.